Hello dear students. So in last some videos we saw or we started a discussion of types of isomerism, and we finished. All of you know that isomerism in coordination compound, it is of two types, and that one is a structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. So in last some videos we completed about we discussed about the structural isomerism, which is of 7 different types. Here though I mentioned only 6, like ionization isomerism, hydration isomerism, coordination isomerism, linkage isomerism, ligand isomerism, coordination position isomerism, and one more type we discussed, that is the polymerization isomerism. Now let's start with the another type of isomerism which is present in coordination compound, and that is stereoisomerism. Under this stereoisomerism, we will discuss about optical isomerism and geometrical isomerism present in coordination compounds. Now, what do you mean by stereoisomerism? Stereoisomerism is also known as space isomerism. When two complex compounds containing same ligands, but these ligands are coordinated to the same metal ion, but their arrangement of the ligand in space is different, then such complexes are called as stereoisomerism of each other. That means two complexes having same metal ion, same ligands, only the arrangement of ligands around the central metal ion is different in space. That is called as stereoisomers of each other. There are two different types of stereoisomerism we are discussing. One is geometrical, which is also known as cis-trans or position isomerism, and another it is a optical isomerism. One thing you need to take care that geometrical or cis-trans isomerism is not possible in tetrahedral complexes. See here, there are two common geometries for the metal ion with coordination number 4. When coordination number is 4, then two common geometries are possible. One is tetrahedral, which is shown in this diagram, and another is a square planar. In this tetrahedral geometry, or in this tetrahedral position, geometrical isomerism is not possible, because in geometrical isomerism or cis-trans isomerism is shown by complexes in which either the same two ligands occupy same ligands if they occupy adjacent position or opposite position to each other. Now here in tetrahedral geometry, all the 4 positions, they are adjacent to each other. Any two position, if you can see in tetrahedral geometry, you can see these two, they are adjacent to each other. These two, they are also adjacent to each other, or these two, they are also adjacent to each other. So, in such case, we can't decide which one are on same side or which one are on opposite side, and in this case geometrical isomerism is not possible. But geometrical isomerism or cis-trans isomerism we can see in square planar geometry with coordination number 4, because in square planar we can say that these two ligands, they are on same side, while these two ligands, they are on opposite side, and we can find out which one is cis and which one is trans. So one point you need to take care, remember that in coordination compound with coordination number 4 and having tetrahedral geometry, or tetrahedral complexes do not possess geometrical or cis-trans isomerism. Cis-trans isomerism is possible in only square planar geometry. So let's begin with the geometrical isomerism in square planar complexes. Square planar complexes, they are of different types. So let's start with one by one. First one, it is the square planar complex of type Ma2B2. Here M is the central metal ion and A and B are two monodentate ligand. For example, see here, dichloroamine platinum. Both are dichloroamine platinum, but here in first example, two chlorine atoms ligand, they are present on same side, while in another case two chlorine atoms, they are present on opposite side. So when two chlorine are present on same side, that is called as cis, and when two chlorine atoms, they are on opposite side, then it is known as trans. So dichlorodiamine platinum, it is available in two geometrical form. One is cis and another is trans. Next type of square planar complex, it is Ma2BC type. Here M is the central metal ion. Here usually platinum is present as a metal ion, and A is the neutral ligand. Here A is the neutral ligand, while B and C are anionic ligand like chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. Now see here, in this example, these are the two examples here. Platinum is the central metal ion, ammonia is the neutral ligand, and chloride and bromide are there. So in first case, two amine groups, similar groups, they are present on same side of the plane. So it is called as similar groups at adjacent position, they are present on same side. So it is called as cis isomer. And when similar groups, they are present on opposite side, then it is known as trans isomer. So Ma2BC, it is available in two forms. One is cis isomer and trans isomer. Next square planar complex, it is MABCD. M is the central metal ion, and to this four different ligands are attached. So complexes of this type exhibit three isomers. Now how we can write down these three isomers? What we need to do here, we have to consider any one of the ligand, for example bromide, and we need to keep its position fixed and then placing other three ligands trans to it. First I am keeping ammonia, amine trans to bromide. In another case, chloride trans to bromide and pyridine trans to bromide. So in this example, there are four ligands: bromide, chloride, amine and pyridine. I am keeping the position of bromide fixed, and other three ligands one by one I am keeping trans to bromide. So in this way we can write down three isomers, geometrical isomer of the square planar complex MABCD. The next type, it is MAB2. MAB2, it is also a square planar complex which have unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand, and this bidentate ligand, it provide two coordinating atoms. For example, in this, platinum is the central metal ion, while this glycinato. This is glycinato. It is a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand and it has two donor atoms. One is N and another is O. Here also this is a glycinato. Now in this case, how we can find out which one is cis and which one is trans? Here it is a bidentate ligand, but when it is attached to the platinum, both the NH2 groups, they are present on same side. So it is called as cis isomer. While in another example, this bidentate ligand, it is attached in such a way that here NH2 group is these two NH2 groups, they are opposite to each other. So it is called as trans isomer. So what we discussed here, in square planar complexes, there are 4 different types of complexes are possible. One is Ma2B2, which is present in two geometrical form, that is one cis and one trans. Ma2BC, it is also available in one cis and trans form. While for MABCD complex, we can write down 3 different geometrical isomers by keeping the position of one ligand fixed, while in NAB2 type, where AB, it is a bidentate ligand, but it is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand, and for this also we can write down 2 geometrical isomers, that is cis and trans. Always remember, in square planar complexes of type Ma4, Ma3b, MAB3, there is no geometrical isomerism, because here for geometrical isomerism we required 2 different ligands. Here there are 4 same ligands, 3 ligands same, here also 3 ligands same. So no geometrical isomerism is possible, and we already discussed that the coordination compound with tetrahedral geometry, they also doesn't exhibit geometrical isomerism. So next is geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex. We'll discuss in next video. Thank you.